Hello students and literary enthusiasts, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Literarian. I am Dr. Arash Rahmani and I'm really thrilled to have you with me today as we embark on an exciting new journey into the rich world of English literature. So whether you're a student, a history buff, or just someone who's looking to deepen their understanding of the written word, you're in for a treat. In this brand new series, we are diving headfirst into the rich tapestry of English literature, exploring its evolution from the medieval period to our present day. So just buckle up for a roller coaster ride through time as we uncover the literary gems that have shaped English language and culture. In this new series, not only are we going to unravel the fascinating historical backdrop of each literary era, but we'll also delve deep into the analysis of the major works that define their times. So from Chaucer's Canterbury Tales to the contemporary masterpieces of our era, we've got it all covered. And here's the best part of it. By the end of this series, you will not only have a comprehensive understanding of the evolution of English literature, but you'll also gain a newfound appreciation for the brilliant minds that have shaped English literary landscape. But before we dive in, let me just give you a sneak peek of what to expect. We will kick things off with a historical overview of each era, setting the stage for the literary wonders that follow. Then we will journey through each period, exploring the major works that really define the zeitgeist of that period. So let's say we are talking about the medieval period, or the Renaissance, or the 18th century. We will first do a historical overview to understand the social, political, and the cultural context that shaped the literature of that time. Then we will transition into the heart of each era and analyze the major works that not only reflect the spirit of the age, but continue to resonate with us, the readers, today. So if you're ready to embark on this literary odyssey with me, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join our growing community of fellow literature lovers, the Literarians. Don't forget to share this series with your friends. After all, great stories are meant to be shared with our friends and family. This brief video was only an introduction to this series, so please make sure you're subscribed and have the notifications turned on for the channel so that you don't miss the first official episode, which will drop on Thursday. And we will start our journey from the very beginning. In the first episode, we will talk about the roots of the English language and literature. We will talk about its Anglo-Saxon roots. And then in the future episodes, we will talk about the Anglo-Norman literature. And then finally, about the Middle English literature. And once that historical overview is over, we will deep dive into the analysis of major literary works of these three different periods. So please tell your friends about this series and stay tuned for the first official episode on Thursday. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon.